There's an ancient teaching that whispers through time, Tat Tivam Asi. This profound Sanskrit phrase, originating from the Chandogya Upanishad, translates to "you are that." It suggests a deep connection between the individual self and the universal essence. Let's embark on a journey to uncover its timeless wisdom. What did the seers mean when they declared "you are that"? In their mystical insight, they saw no separation between the self and the cosmos. This teaching calls us to recognize our inherent unity with the world around us, breaking the illusion of duality. A profound realization beckons us to look within. In modern life, Tat Tivam Asi serves as a gentle reminder that boundaries are constructs of the mind. Our connections, whether with others or nature, reflect a universal bond. Embracing this wisdom, we can foster global harmony and personal peace. The teachings transcend time, offering solace and clarity. This teaching can transform your life. By internalizing Tat Tivam Asi, we awaken a deeper consciousness that connects us with the world. Reflect on this timeless wisdom, and you'll find the essence of spiritual liberation within. Let it guide your thoughts, actions, and interactions. You are indeed that.